smells like fucking fire Best Buy.
Throw that fucker in there.
Oh my god. Oh my fucking god.
Is it on? Is it even lighting up?
What's on?
Oh my god, it's getting dark in there.
Dude, it's melting, bro. There's like liquid. Is that the battery?
It's fucking liquefying.
It's starting a fucking fire.
Holy shit.
God
There's no way
damn.
that's good to breathe. There's no way that that's safe to breathe.
Hell no. Ugh. What the fuck is going on with him? Has anyone got a cigarette I could bum real quick? I can give you one back.